Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix Nightingale shard error getting shards for client. When playing Nightingale, players may occasionally encounter an issue known as the error getting shards for client. This error can be frustrating as it typically indicates a problem with connecting to a game server. So, don't worry, you are not alone. Many players have encountered this frustrating issue. To resolve the issue, you can follow some simple on-screen instructions. Solution 1. Check the server status of Nightingale before attempting any fixes. It's a good idea to check if the game servers are currently up and running. The error can sometimes appear due to a bug in the game itself. The chances are that the developers are trying to fix it, and soon it will be resolved. Solution 2. Verify Nightingale game files. Corrupted or missing game files can also cause the error. If you are playing on PC via Steam, you can verify the integrity of the game files cache to ensure all files are in order. Solution 3. Check your internet connection. Sometimes the problem may lie with your network connection. You can try the following steps. Conduct a speed test to check your network speed. If your network speed is low, the issue might be from the router end. Try restarting your router and then restart the game. Solution 4. Disable firewall and antivirus settings. Firewall and antivirus programs can sometimes block games from accessing the internet. Make sure Nightingale is listed as an exception in your firewall and antivirus settings. Solution 5. Contact the Nightingale support team. If none of the above steps help you in solving the shard error issue in Nightingale, then it's time to contact the support team of Nightingale. They will be able to help you out and provide you with instructions to resolve the issue. You can contact the support team via direct call or using live chat. These are some simple troubleshooting steps. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share. We will catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.